If I focused and the person opened up, I could listen to more. I also developed an extension of telekinesis called pyrokinesis, which is control of mind over fire, where the training I would do would be to have a candle in front of me, and then I would try to bend the fire with my mind. And how I would do it is that I would relax and just become the flame, and then the flame would move as I willed it. And I had another ability, which was the ability to touch and to create impulses in a female to make her want me. That was an offshoot of mind control. Those are pretty much the abilities I had.
Okay, now you said something a while back about your grandmother laying hands on you as a child to pass that spirit into you.
She told my father and my mother that she was imparting a blessing upon me as her grandson. And yes, that's how you transfer it. You pass it on through a laying of hands. It's something that mimics the laying of hands to transfer the Holy Spirit, so to speak. It's something made to mimic it like that. And yes, that's how I passed it on to me. Some of the other details are obscure, but from what I've been able to find out is that there also had to be a blood, something that has to do with the blood, where they would take a sample of my blood as well, and they would use that. I'm not really sure on that, and she didn't ever tell me about that. What I do know is about the laying of hands, because that is what passes it on. And once it's passed on, according to tradition, I'm supposed to lay my hands on my firstborn, which obviously I won't do, and the ties have been broken, thanks the Lord, that has been done. But it's passed on like that.